Thank you for buying your Morten bed from Dreams. Assembly of this bed takes 2 people around half an hour to complete. To assemble this bed, you will need the following parts. Please note that the Morten bed comes in 3 styles: solid slats, sprung slats, and sleep motion. These instructions are for solid slats. For all other types, please refer to the assembly manual. Use the bolts mounted on the head and footboard to fix the side rails. The bolts will need to be loosened to allow the hooks fitted to the side rails to slot on and into position. Once in position, secure the bolts using the Allen key. Repeat this process for each side on both the headboard and the footboard. Attach the rail to the 2 middle leg supports using the bolts and washers provided. Place this rail into the support blocks in the middle of the foot and headboard. Once attached, ensure the feet do not touch the floor and have about a 10mm gap. This allows for movement once the mattress is on. Place the side frames into position next to the headboard. Using a bolt and sleeve nut, fix both sides to the headboard securely. Place the drawer on the floor and attach bolt A to the back. 4 bolts are needed. Put the drawer in position by sliding the bolts through the pre-drilled holes and securing with washers and a nut. Tighten using the wrench provided. The Morten bed comes with solid or sprung slats and a sleep motion option too. For solid slats, follow the instructions here, and for everything else, please refer to the instruction manual. Place the slats onto the bed and then undo the strap holding them together. The slats can then be smoothed out into position across the bed. Use a bolt and sleeve nut to fix into position. Congratulations! Your bed is now complete and ready to give you your best night's sleep.